I just received my new sunglasses from the mail. It's a sport tactical frame from Wiley X. It's a rimless design wraparound frame, one of their most popular models. Over the past years, I have always been an Oakley fan. I have owned a lot of Oakley frames, but the one I use the most is this one, the Oakley Flag 2.0 XL. I really like this frame from Oakley, except for one thing, the standard lens, the prism lens, it peeled quite easily. So I swapped to the third-party ones over here. The black lens is a third-party ones and it's quite durable too. But with this third-party lens, I did lose some clarity and some contrast, but I rather have a tougher lens other than the clear optics. I have multiple Oakleys that peeled as well. Now, aside from the lens, I really like this frame. The frame is pretty strong. It's made from old matter. It's Oakley proprietary polymer. It's quite durable. Yeah, but I use Oakley for like 5 years already, so I'm a bit bored. Now it's time for Wiley X. Wiley X is an American company, but their frame and lenses are made in Taiwan, which actually makes sense because Taiwan is a world class for high quality polymer and precise lens manufacturing. This is why Wiley X can be both tough and affordable. Lately, I've been leaning toward a more tactical rugged gear, so this Wiley X frame might suit my needs just well. I usually use my sunglasses for outdoor, riding a motorcycle, doing some running, and I sweat a lot as well. This should hold up perfectly. Now let's go and unbox it. First impression, pretty simple packaging, nothing too fancy. That's actually something I like about Wiley X. Voila, Wiley X. This is the frame I chose, Wiley X Valor, made in Taiwan, of course. By the way, the founder of Wiley X is an US veteran. Hard case. Wiley X sticker. Yep, that's just about it. Yeah, we get a hard case inside the box. Wow. You get the frame itself. Depending on the kit, you might get multiple lenses. It also comes with a microfiber cloth. For me, I went with the standard version, so it comes with single lens, a lens case, and a microfiber cloth. You can also get 3 lens version. Usually it includes smoke gray lens, clear, and rust lenses. Now, this is the Wiley X Valor. Very nice. It's a semi-rimless design. It's designed to give you good coverage around your eyes, especially from wind and debris. Picking it up, first thing I noticed is how solid it feels. It's lightweight, but definitely more rigid compared to something like Oakley. The frame itself is made from triloy nylon, which is a high-strength polymer. It's built for durability and impact resistance, not just comfort. Looking at the lens, these are polycarbonate lenses which are shatterproof and meet ballistic safety standards. So this isn't just a sunglass, it's actually protection eyewear. The lens width is around 70 millimeters, so it gives pretty good coverage around the eyes. Another cool thing is that the lenses are interchangeable. So depending on the lighting condition, you can swap between lenses like smoke, clear, or rust. The nose pad, as you can see here, they are rubberized as long as the temple as well, the end of the temple. And as you can see here, it's a Wiley X logo. Very nice on both sides. And also inside the temple, you can see my model is Valor, Taiwan. Very good detail, looks pretty cool. The lens here have something written on it. Overall, first impression, I'm loving it already. Very solid, very purpose built. It definitely feels more like a gear than just a sunglasses. I'm really loving this, and the price is very affordable too for Wiley X frames. Yeah, very like the design of the temple. And the logo is pretty cool. And the hinge here, there's a screw too. If it gets loosened over time, you can just screw it. Very nice. I do really love this hard case that comes with my Valor. It looks pretty cool and it's pretty compact too. Might be a bit bulky, but still very compact carry. Inside is going to protect your sunglasses pretty well. Just put it in here. And the zipper, by the way, it won't touch your lens, which is a very good thing. Very nice. Right, I'm going to try my Wiley X Valor. Voila. As you can see here, very nice on my face. Not too big. Yeah, I really like it. And it's very grippy as well. And I think I got the right size because it doesn't really squeeze my face. Pretty comfortable. And it's not heavy as well. Wrap around frame. Yep. Pretty grippy with the rubberized temple at the end here. Also the nose pad. The newer version of the Valor since 2021 is very good for Asian as well. It's like support Asian fits even better. And I kinda like it. The weight is quite good, but compared to my previous daily driver, the Flag 2.0 XL, this thing is way lighter. I'm gonna try it on so you can see the difference. This is my Oakley Flag XL on me. It looks cool, looks tactical as well, but it's super lightweight, also pretty grippy. And here's my Wiley X Valor. Yeah. See it up close. Yep. I really like the design of the temple here and the Wiley X logo. It's gonna be very good for me because I usually go outdoor, ride my motorcycle or doing outdoor activities. And the lens should hold up just fine from sweat and it's not gonna peel easily. And I can put sunscreen on my face as much as I want compared to my previous Oakley. It peeled quite easily with the prism lenses. But this thing, yeah, should do it just fine. You know, I think this Valor, it works well with the cap too. Let's try it. This is Oakley cap, by the way. I'm getting the Wiley X1 soon. Voila. Very good. Under your cap. Put it over the cap like this. Yep. Overall, I really recommend this if you want a very durable sunglass and a ballistic impact resistant. This thing is military issue as well for the US military. Or if you want a sunglass for shooting, it's gonna protect your eye very well too. And yeah, it's pretty good looking as well, very comfortable. If you like a tactical looking sunglass, or if you do a lot of outdoor activities or sport, or even riding a motorcycle, this Wiley X Valor is the perfect choice. That's it for my review of this Wiley X Valor. If you like it, please hit like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.